This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, water heater, TV, microwave, LP detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59K and is powered by a Dodge engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.